We're cooking this Chipotle black bean tortilla soup, and it's one of Alex and my favorites. It's super flavorful. It takes about 30 minutes to put together, and it looks beautiful too. We'll show you how it's done. Oh yeah, and it's from our book, Pretty Simple Cooking, Everyday Recipes to make getting in the kitchen fun and pretty simple. To start, we'll make the tortilla strips. Brush the tortillas with a bit of olive oil, then use a pizza cutter to cut them into strips. Sprinkle with salt and bake them for about 10 minutes. They come out crunchy and they're the perfect garnish for the final soup. Now we're gonna chop the vegetables and make the soup. Every soup has a secret ingredient, or at least the ones that we make, and this one is adobo sauce from a can of Chipotle peppers. You can find it in the international aisle of your grocery, and it adds a smoky undertone to this soup. All right, this took about 30 minutes and it's so tasty. Hey Alex, come here, have a taste.
Alrighty. It's good.
You heard it from him.